The rolling rice ball. Long, long ago, at the foot of a mountain, there lived a kind old man. Every day, he went into the mountains to gather firewood, and during his break, he enjoyed eating his rice balls. One day, he sat down on a rock and reached for his lunch. But plop! One rice ball slipped from his hand. "Oh no!" he cried. "Roll, roll, roll." The rice ball rolled down the slope and disappeared into a small hole. Curious, the old man took the second rice ball and gently rolled it the same way. Then, from deep inside the hole, he heard a cheerful little song. "O mu subi kororin, Suttonton." What's that? He wondered, peering into the hole. But before he knew it, he slipped whoosh and tumbled right in. When he opened his eyes, he found himself in a strange and shining world. It was the land of the white mice. "Welcome, kind sir," the mice greeted him. "Thank you for the delicious rice balls." They invited the old man to a grand feast. There were rice cakes, sweet buns, even sake, all sorts of treats, and lots of laughter. When the feast was over, the mice said, "Please choose one box to take home with you." The old man picked a small box, bowed in thanks, and returned to his house. When he opened the box sparkle, it was full of gold and silver. Watching from a crack in the sliding door was his greedy neighbor. "Well, well," the greedy old man muttered. "So that's where the treasure comes from." The next day, he made some rice balls, went into the mountains, and rolled one into the hole on purpose. "Thank you for the rice ball," the mice said politely. They welcomed him in and offered him food. But the greedy old man gobbled everything down without manners. Then he shouted, "Meow," pretending to be a cat, and scared the mice. "Eek, a cat!" cried the mice. But they quickly fought back. They threw rice cakes at him, tripped him with sweet buns, and poured sake all over his head. The greedy old man ran for his life, slipping and sliding all the way out of the hole. He crawled home, covered in mud, trembling and soaked. From that day on, he never went near the hole again. As for the kind old man, he continued to live peacefully, just as he always had. The end.